so many times. I desire him so much. I'm constantly reading my Bible. I'm a recovering addict, and I've given my life completely to God. I'm devoted 100%, and this is going to be so big and exciting for me to open up and just know that I'm walking completely with God. This is symbolic, and it's a huge step. I'm excited, and I just can't wait. It's an amazing feeling to know that I've been forgiven and that I am loved, and that God gave his only son on the cross for my sins, and that everything that I'm doing is going to be okay, and it's going to be good. It's going to be worth it. With that said, I'm ready to be baptized.
Awesome. I love it.